EVA trades.
Well, hello there. It's Wednesday, the final day of May, and we have about 30 seconds till the market opens. And things are a little slow this morning. Here's a look at the scans. Well, right there. That's a look at the scans. Not much to look at. So I tried to pick out the best I could, some of the stocks that I might be interested in, but to be honest with you, they just don't look too promising. So we'll see what we get here. We have Mark Boyle, MRKR, which is the leading gapper. And over here I have AI, SOXS, and there is SPY. So we are open now. The leading gapper taking off first. SOXS also making a move. Well, I'm in a trade over here on AI. And I'm stopped out on AI. You like that right away. Okay, let's get back to the main screen. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Nice move on MARK. I'm adding to it on the way up. Let's see, I put my stop loss in down here to $1.64. So I was in it 3 times. I sold twice. Got stopped out over here on MRKR. Nope. Probably had my stop loss a little too. Should have put my stop loss below that support of $1.63, and I wouldn't have gotten stopped out on it. So let's see if we get the break here. I'm also in over here off of this support on MRKR. There's a nice break. Put my stop loss down at $1.62, and we'll hold that for a bit and we'll see what we get. So I got in it twice down on this pullback, and then I sold half and I'm holding the rest. I'm going to exit this trade over here on MRKR. Probably thinking I should have held it now, but I was looking at this candle thinking, I don't know. SOXL is moving up on the day. Let's see what we have here. SOXL making some moves. Selling half. I'll sell the other half right there. Okay, a little slow to get in and out of that one. Let's go back over here to MARK. I'm not a big fan of Boyle, but I'm going to go ahead and take a starter position on it there. Oh, Mark pulling back. So it's a double bottom off of the volume weighted average price. I'll go ahead and jump in it there. We'll see. Buying a breakout on MRKR. See if that works out for me. I'm going to sell half over here on Mark. Put my stop loss in down there at the low. Didn't work out for me on MRKR. So that's the second time on that one. I've tried to buy the breakouts and it didn't work for me. I'm going to trade on SOXL over here. So we have a high of day on Mark at $1.79. See if we can get over $1.92 in the high of day on an MRKR here. And I'm still in a trade on SOFI. PLTR hitting the high of day scan. I'm going to go ahead and sell half there on Mark. Move my stop loss up a little bit. Selling half of this one also. I added on Mark on this pullback. We have a high, low, lower, high, higher, low. A little bit choppy. It's kind of an equilibrium. It's a 5-minute inside bar. See if we get the move that I want. Yeah, I don't like all the red candles that I'm seeing, the red volume candles on this. So that's why I got out of that. It was break even. Yeah, so I'm sitting red on the day, and SOFI is the only one so far that's given me some pretty good moves. Buying MRKR off of that support. Let's see if we get a bounce of any kind here. It's a pretty nice bounce. Looking for a little more. I'll sell it right there. Gets me close to break even on the day. I see Mark here coming off of that volume weighted average price. I'm just a little nervous on Mark about a flush with all these high red volume candles. I don't know if I want to try it. So I ended up buying SOFI on this pullback right here as it was actually as it was breaking out. There's a pullback on SOFI. Let's see if we get a little bounce on that. No, maybe not. See if it comes back up. So I'm selling it right there. Pretty close to green on the day. SOXL. I'll buy a little breakout on it here. Oops, that didn't work for me on SOXL, did it? Okay, better get back over there and flatten that. I'm focusing here on MRKR. I bought that dip. Nope. Tried to get the profit quick on Mark, and I didn't didn't sell quick enough. I'm just wondering if it's going to break through that high. I think maybe the play on that one is to wait. There's a little dip there. You know what? Stick with my gut feeling and wait on that. There we go. Flattening it there. Still red. I really just want to get to green on the day and then call it a day after that. That's all I'm looking to do. Okay. It's been a rough day for me, and I think I'm going to end it there. I was down quite a ways. I've just not been trading well today or something. So I'm going to go take a look at the trade review. We'll do that and see where did I go wrong today, because at one point I was down way below my max loss. And thankfully, as SOFI came along, and I made some nice trades on that, $403 on that stock. But yeah, I really didn't trade very well today. I think I was trying to make stuff happen that wasn't there, possibly. So I'm going to go take a look and see. Well, hold on 1 second. SOXL here. Maybe I shouldn't do that. I'm going to go ahead and sell it there. You know, that puts me up $10 on the day. So, you know, I like the look of this. See this level that we couldn't close below it. So now we're back testing it again. But at the same time, we do have the support down here. So we might bounce off there. We could bounce off the volume weighted average price. I don't know. I keep getting tricked out today. I did the right thing on MARK by selling when we broke through here. I was nervous about a flush down, and there comes that flush. There. I could try to buy it on a bigger flush if it wants to flush down more, like there, and then sell it real quick. So, you know, made a little bit on that. There's another. Oops, I was a little late. I'm just going to go ahead and get back out. So I didn't make any money on that. Anyways, but I had the right idea. I just didn't execute that very well. So, and that's been my day. Poor execution, and yeah, look at SOFI. Nice pullback to the EMA. I think that's a good trade right there. Nice volume candles here. One high red volume candle there, but I think we bounced from this level. I bet. And then you have a support down here on SOXL. I had a hard time with SOXL. Okay, so the leading gapper this morning was MRKR, and I kept buying the breakouts on it, I believe. Anyways, I'm going to go look at the trade review, and I'll put that out here in just a second. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you here very soon. Bye.